Are you over 60 and feeling that pins and needles tingling in your hands? Or that shaky, unstable feeling in your legs when you stand up? Many people chalk this up to aging. But what if it's something your body is trying to tell you? These symptoms are often signs your body is low on key building blocks, especially collagen. Collagen is the glue that holds your muscles, joints, and nerves together. But after 60, your natural collagen production drops, sometimes by more than half. That can weaken the support around your muscles and nerves, leading to tingling, numbness, and instability. But here's the good news. You can support collagen production naturally, starting with what's on your plate. Certain fruits are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, nutrients your body uses to build and protect collagen. They're not rare or expensive, just everyday fruits that, when eaten regularly, can help you feel stronger and more stable. This isn't a miracle, just a daily habit that works over time. In the comments below, tell us, is it tingling hands or weak legs for you? And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips to help you stay strong, steady, and confident at any age. Now, let's reveal the delicious, nutrient-rich fruits that can make a difference. Just remember, consistency is key. The 8 fruits. Fruit number 1, oranges, the classic collagen catalyst. Let's start with a classic, the orange. It's famous for vitamin C for a good reason, and it's a fundamental tool for your body's structural health. The power of the orange is its high dose of vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for making collagen. Think of it as the mortar that holds the bricks of your connective tissue together. An orange delivers a fresh batch of this crucial mortar for your body's repair work. Oranges also have antioxidants to protect your existing collagen from breaking down. This 1-2 punch, building new collagen while protecting the old, is what makes them so great, leading to better support for your muscles and nerves. So, how do you get more oranges in your day? The simplest way is best. Peel and eat one. Eating the whole orange gives you fiber, which helps manage blood sugar, a big plus for nerve health. You can also slice them into a salad or blend a whole peeled orange into a smoothie. Fruit number 2, kiwis, the fuzzy green powerhouse. Next up is the kiwi. Don't let its small size fool you. Gram for gram, kiwis pack more vitamin C than oranges. This massive vitamin C hit makes kiwi a collagen-building superstar. But the kiwi brings more to the party. It's also a good source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C and E work as a team to protect your body from cellular stress. This is crucial for shielding sensitive nerves and can help ease the irritation that leads to tingling. Plus, kiwis have zinc and an enzyme called actinitin that helps with digestion, which is key for absorbing all these great nutrients. How to enjoy them? Just slice one in half and scoop out the good stuff with a spoon, or add slices to yogurt or oatmeal. If you're finding this list helpful, tap that subscribe button for more practical tips just like this.
Fruit number 3, guava, the tropical collagen champion. Our next fruit is a tropical unsung hero, guava. It's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet, containing even more than oranges and kiwis. This massive dose of vitamin C supercharges your body's ability to create collagen, which is critical for the integrity of your muscles, tendons, and nerve tissues. Beyond its vitamin C fame, guava is also packed with the antioxidant lycopene, which protects your cells and collagen fibers. Plus, it provides zinc, another mineral that helps the collagen-making process. You can eat fresh guava like an apple, skin and all. The taste is a mix of pear and strawberry. If you can't find it fresh, unsweetened guava puree or juice is a fantastic smoothie base. Fruit number 4, strawberries, the sweet shield for your tissues. Let's come back to a familiar favorite, the strawberry. These delicious berries are a powerful force for protecting and building your body's tissues. Like the other fruits on our list, strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C. But what makes them special is their high content of antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds defend against inflammation and cellular damage, which can irritate nerves and cause tingling. This protective effect not only supports new collagen, but also helps shield the collagen you already have. This leads to more stable joints and better supported muscles, which is exactly what we want to fight leg weakness. Adding strawberries to your diet is easy. They're perfect on their own, sliced into oatmeal or blended into a smoothie. Frozen strawberries are a fantastic choice and keep almost all their nutritional value. Quick question, how many of these do you already eat? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to know. If you're still with me, you're already doing something powerful, learning how to support your body with food. Hit the like button if this is helpful. It helps me reach more women like you. Fruit number 5, pineapple, the anti-inflammatory helper. Next up is pineapple, a tropical fruit with a unique secret weapon for soothing, tingling, and weakness. First, pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, earning its spot on the collagen support team. But the real star is a unique enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties. Since inflammation can irritate nerves and cause tingling, the bromelain in pineapple helps create a calmer environment for your nerves and muscles. It gives you vitamin C to build tissue and bromelain to calm the inflammation that can damage it. We're 5 fruits in. If you want to keep discovering these powerful health secrets, join our community by subscribing. Fresh pineapple is amazing, especially grilled. It's also a classic in smoothies. If you're using canned, be sure to get the compact in its own juice, not heavy syrup. Fruit number 6, mango, the elasticity elixir. Next is the king of fruits, the mango. Beyond its delicious taste, mango is an elixir for your tissues, helping maintain elasticity and strength. Mangoes are a great source of both vitamin C and vitamin E. This antioxidant combo works to protect your cells from damage. This protection is key for maintaining tissue elasticity. The antioxidants in mangoes help fight the damage that makes tissues stiff, keeping them flexible and resilient. This leads to better muscle function and healthier, better cushioned nerves. Simply slice and eat it or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy texture. It's also amazing diced into a savory salsa. Frozen mango chunks are a perfect substitute for smoothies. Fruit number 7, avocado, the healthy fat and fiber friend. Our 7th fruit may be a surprise, the avocado. Its superpower isn't vitamin C, but its incredible profile of healthy fats, vitamins, and fiber. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant crucial for protecting cell membranes, including your nerve cells. More importantly, avocados are one of the best sources of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are essential building blocks for the myelin sheath, the protective insulating layer around your nerves. A healthy myelin sheath is critical for clear nerve signals. Avocados also have potassium for nerve signaling and muscle contractions, and their high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar. This list covers all the bases. If you're passionate about living a stronger, healthier life, the subscribe button is your gateway to more wellness tips. Fruit number 8, tomato, the lycopene guardian. Our final fruit is the tomato. Whether fresh or cooked, it's a nutritional workhorse that protects your body's vital protein structures. Tomatoes do have a good amount of vitamin C, but the real star here is lycopene, the powerful antioxidant that gives them their red color. Lycopene is famous for its ability to shield your existing collagen from damage. This is so important after 60, as keeping the collagen we have is just as critical as making more. Lycopene helps keep your supportive tissues strong by protecting this framework. Here's a cool tip. The lycopene in tomatoes becomes easier for your body to absorb when they're cooked. So a healthy, no-sugar-added tomato sauce or soup can be an even better way to get this protective antioxidant. What to avoid? The silent saboteur of collagen, strength, and nerve health. Before we wrap up, there's one powerful truth we need to talk about. And it's something many women unknowingly do every single day that can quietly undo all their hard work. If you're eating all the right fruits, taking collagen-supporting vitamins, and trying your best to stay strong and mobile after 60, but you don't cut back on this one thing, you might still struggle with weak legs, tingling hands, and sagging skin. That one thing? Excess sugar, especially from refined carbohydrates. Now, this doesn't mean you need to live like a monk or cut out every sweet thing forever. But here's the truth. Too much sugar doesn't just affect your waistline or blood sugar. It can directly attack the very collagen you're working so hard to protect. The science, sugar versus collagen. Here's how it works. When you eat sugar, whether from a sugary drink, a pastry, or even too much white bread, your body breaks it down into glucose. That glucose floats through your bloodstream looking for something to stick to. And unfortunately, it often latches on to proteins, including collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, your muscles strong, and your joints flexible. This process is called glycation. When glycation happens, sugar molecules attach to collagen and elastin fibers and form what are known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. The name says it all. These compounds age your tissues. They stiffen and weaken the collagen matrix, making it brittle, fragmented, and unable to repair itself properly. Think of it like trying to build a brick wall, but someone sneaking behind you and coating the bricks in glue and gravel. Eventually, the wall crumbles, not because of what you added, but because of what was silently breaking it down. That's what ages do to your muscles, nerves, and skin over time. Collagen damage affects more than skin. Now, most people hear collagen and think wrinkles. But here's the part nobody talks about. Collagen is also critical for the connective tissues that hold your muscles and nerves together.
If collagen gets damaged, those support systems weaken. That's when you start feeling weak legs when you try to stand up, tingling or numbness in your hands or feet, muscle cramping, stiffness or soreness, sagging skin, and poor circulation. And this breakdown doesn't happen overnight. It builds up silently, day by day, bite by bite. What to watch out for? The biggest sugar offenders often don't look like desserts. Here are some common sneaky sources of excess sugar and refined carbs. Sweetened yogurts, breakfast cereals and granola, flavored coffee creamers, white bread, crackers, and rolls, instant oatmeal or flavored packets, fruit juices and vitamin waters, pastries, cakes, muffins, and even healthy foods marketed to seniors can be loaded with hidden sugars. That's why it's so important to read labels, choose whole foods, and cook at home when you can. Look for high-protein snacks, fiber-rich carbs like oats or sweet potatoes, and natural sugars from whole fruits, especially the ones we mentioned earlier that support collagen and nerve repair. The collagen-boosting combo. Add the good, remove the bad. Here at Nitro Wellness, our simple philosophy is add the good, remove the bad. You're already learning which fruits and nutrients support your collagen, nerves, and strength after 60. That's wonderful. But to truly see results, stronger legs, better balance, more energy, smoother skin, you have to also remove the things that undo that progress. And cutting back on refined sugar is one of the most powerful, practical steps you can take today. It doesn't cost anything, it doesn't require a gym, and every single small decision, like swapping juice for water or choosing whole grain over white, makes a real difference over time. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. If you pair your new collagen-rich habits with a low-sugar whole food approach, you're creating a powerful 1-2 punch, one that supports your body instead of sabotaging it. If this kind of practical, full-picture advice speaks to you, don't forget to subscribe to Nitro Wellness. We're here every week with clear, science-backed guidance that actually helps women 60-plus feel strong, confident, and vibrant without the hype. And if this found helpful, drop a 1 in the comments so we know to make more videos like this for women just like you. So there you have it. These 8 fruits help rebuild collagen, calm inflammation, and support nerve function naturally. A quick recap: the classic orange, the powerhouse kiwi, the tropical champion guava, the sweet shield strawberry, the anti-inflammatory pineapple, the elasticity elixir mango, the healthy fat-filled avocado, and the protective tomato. Remember, these fruits aren't a magic pill. Their power is in consistency. By eating them daily, you constantly supply your body with the vitamin C and antioxidants needed to build and protect collagen, supporting the very foundation of your muscles and nerves. However, and this is the most important thing you'll hear today, if you are experiencing persistent or worsening tingling, numbness, or weakness, it is absolutely essential that you talk to your doctor. These fruits support the health of your nerves, but if you're dealing with long-term nerve damage, nutrition is only one piece of the puzzle. While these fruits can support nerve function, they may not reverse severe damage on their own. These symptoms can be signs of other conditions, like a serious vitamin B12 deficiency or diabetes, that need proper medical diagnosis and treatment. This video is to educate and empower you in your daily choices, not to replace professional medical advice. Tingling and weakness aren't just signs of aging. They're messages your body is sending you, and now you know how to respond. Taking charge of your nutrition is one of the most powerful things you can do. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 of these fruits and add them to your daily routine. Imagine standing up without that unsteady feeling, or picking up a cup of coffee without that distracting tingling in your fingers. This isn't about just fruit. It's about reclaiming a feeling of strength and confidence in your own body. If this video empowered you, please share it with someone who could benefit. And I want to hear from you in the comments, which of these 8 fruits are you most excited to add to your daily routine? And if you're wondering how to make a nerve-friendly breakfast using these fruits, make sure you subscribe, because that's coming up next. Thanks for joining me. Here's to your health, your strength, and your vitality.